Okay, I haven't done a video in a little while. We've been pruning and we had a light blow out. We've got another one ordered. So we kind of had to do a little bit of tweaking, do our light situation in the office. And getting ready to take out a couple things and plant some more things in here. We're kind of limited in what we can do in the office because you can't have vines running all over the floor, unfortunately, so that's why you don't see many things like tomatoes or peppers coming out of this one. But in the very near future, hopefully this weekend coming up, we are going to set one up at the house outside, and that one is going to be fun because we're going to grow all kinds of things. So this one's been a good run for the first time in a while. Just trying to get back up to speed and learn how to do this again and learn all kinds of things. So this is where it's at the moment, and pretty happy how it's come out, and had some troubleshooting issues we're working on, and that's to be expected, but it's a good first run.